Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can apply for food stamps in Virginia through the SNAP program. So start by visiting Virginia Department of Social Services website. Now here you will find everything you need to know about SNAP. So let me just go down here. Then you can apply online using CommonHelp. This is the website you should go. Because I'm not situated in Virginia. This link is not opening for me, but it will work for you. So that being said, let me explain the steps. So to apply, you need to click apply online using CommonHelp, and you will find this link here. And this will take you to the official portal where you can submit your application. Now you can get all info about SNAP from this section if you want flyers or brochures. And if you want to apply, you can download the form here. So you can find form application for benefits, for social services, and more. Now, let me scroll down. Now, once you're here, you need to click apply for benefits. And then you will have to create an account if this is your first time. And when applying, you will be asked for details like your income, rent, and household size. Be ready to upload documents like an ID, proof of income, and proof of address. Now, to qualify, your income must fall within these limits. For example, a household of two can make up to around $3,400 uh, and still qualify. So, when applying through CommonHelp, you can also check boxes to apply for other programs like TANF or Medicaid at the same time. Now, if you run into issues, you can get help by calling this number 833-522-5582 or visit the local Department of Social Services. And now, once your application is approved, you will receive an EBT card loaded with monthly loaded monthly with benefits you can use at grocery stores or and farmers market that accepts SNAP. And that is how you can apply for SNAP in Virginia.